Hello, welcome back to new castle vlog. Today we visit a Piel castle and a Lancaster castle. So ready? Let's go! So right now on the Piel castle, and to get to the Piel castle you need to take a ferry. So because it's on the island, it's all the way right there. So as you can see, well, that is a ferry behind me. As you see, it's very small ferry. Finally we are on the Piel island. It took me around 2 hours. Just wait for the ferry, and it's like a very small ferry, very small boat, I will say, about 12 people in the boat. So yeah, so let's go explore the castle. Piel Castle, also known as Foljoy Castle, was built by John Cockerham in 1327. It was intended to oversee the trade to the harbour and to provide defence. The castle also allowed the monks to monitor traffic passing through the Piel harbour on its way to their holdings in Ireland and Isle of Man, and to protect cargoes from weather, riders and pirates. I just finished to shoot with a drone. It was stressful to fly the drone here because it's very windy. Sometimes even when it's flying, it's losing GPS signal, and then it's very bad because it's going one side. So it happens a lot of times, and once I crashed it. So it was a stressful experience, but I did it. I think it was very hard to invade this castle because how is on the castle on the island, and yeah, and it's very hard. I think there is some piece of the walls on the castle fell down. It's a very weird entrance in this castle. It's right there, so you need to climb it on that wall, and then you need to climb it right here to get it on the top. Oh, I didn't see any other entrance. Oh, the wind is whistling. In 1408, the abbot John Bolton decided that the cost of maintaining the castle was excessive and attempted to pull down the defences, but was prevented from doing so by Henry IV. This was followed by a period of rebuilding around 1429. I need to hold the camera because it will fly in my head. Oh, that is very beautiful. You can see the whole island. In 1537, when Furness Abbey was dissolved, the castle became property of Henry VIII and was left to fall into ruins. While I was wondering about the castle, seaside and all those views, I didn't notice the time. And the Lancaster castle is open till 4 o'clock. Now it's almost half past 2. I will self-post too. But I need more than an hour to get there. But before that, I need to take a ferry, which one I need to wait maybe, I don't know, half an hour or something more like something like that. So I can get today to Munkaster Castle. And what I will do is